What's up, screen printers? Ryan here with Texsource, also known as screenprintingsupply.com. I'm going to go over a helpful video with you today. Also, a product plug of one of our products. It's called Blockout pens. Some of you may have heard it, may have never heard of it. They come in blue and green. They're great for blocking out small pinholes in your screens. If you notice, it might be hard to see on the video, but got a pinhole there. Um, some people, there's many ways to get rid of the pinhole. You can tape over the pinhole, use tape, or lots of different scenarios. This product, Blackout Pens, is made just to get rid of pinholes. Um, like I said, you can tape over it, but let's say you're going to use a screen multiple times and you want to save it for several months or even a year, and you have the repeat customer using the same image. You can tape over it, but over time, you're going to forget the pinhole was there, and when you go back to print it again, you're going to notice another pinhole. So a good product to use would be blockout pens. So when you're later on using it, um, won't have to worry about any pinholes. So just a brief example to show you how it works. It's literally a blockout pen. You block out the pinhole with a little dot, and your pinhole is gone. This dries. That's the blue color. I'll just do the green just for an example so you can see it. Beside of it, there's a green. Literally, it's just blocking out pinholes. Um, the small ballpoint on the end of this pen allows you to get the small dots, the small areas. This will dry in 30 seconds to a minute and a half, depending on the atmosphere you're in. It's cold or hot, humidity, that sort of thing. But great product to use. Simple, nothing more to it. Just a helpful video for you guys to help prevent pinholes if you're tired of taping each one of them up. Thank you.